She got overhand with some guy with that middle name. Can you do
Stephanie, say hi.
Oh my God! Anybody has said that.
Oh yeah, don't be talking to her. Oh yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, she's her property.
What?
Oh my God!
What? What did you say?
She's like, oh yeah, don't be talking to Sophia. And she's like,
I didn't even say that. No, I didn't.
no, she's like, you know what she said? She's like, why are you talking to Sophia? I'm like, is she your property or something?
And then she was the one that was like, is she your property or something? I wasn't even saying that.
I know she was like, no, but like, yeah.
Color pencil? I didn't even say that.
Yes, she
What?
said.
No? Yeah, color pencil?
No.
I know.
You girls see the hair growing on this guy's head?
Yeah.
He's just starting to, gonna have to give him a haircut Monday.
Oh, yeah.
You need a haircut.
He's bald.
Yeah,
He does have hair. That's so funny.
see the hair dye on his head?
I put it in your phone.
My phone on that pedal over there.
I brought in your Monday.
It's in my backpack. Ew.
Yeah, put it in my phone. Okay, hi. Don't answer, cause I'm just sending something from Sadie so I can get her number. Look, there's Samantha's butt. Don't answer, okay? Samantha.
I don't know. Check.
Wait, I wanna see, wait. Okay, now do it, No, do it again. Do it